Hi Pisces, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 29th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the World card, the Lovers card, and the 10 of Swords. Person B has the King of Wands, the 6 of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck I have the Fool card, which is Aries energy. Either you or your person could take that big leap of faith and march forward either in a totally different direction, or you will take a big leap of faith and do something in this relationship that the other person is not even thinking of. Now what I see from the first set of cards is you have the World card. Okay, with that it means that there is an old chapter that you need to end. Till the time you don't end that chapter, you will not be able to go ahead and build something with this person. Though you have emotions for this person with that Gemini energy, you feel like a past life connection with them, but you understand that you need to go ahead and end maybe an old chapter, and only then you can build this new chapter with them. Now if you have not done it altogether, then you feel that you are somewhere cheating and backstabbing your person, and it kind of creates that guilt within you. With that 10 of Swords, you feel that there's some kind of backstabbing that you either are doing to your person, or it could be that you are going through that situation and your person needs to end maybe some old chapter with somebody else. Now what I'm seeing here for person B is that they have the King of Wands energy, which is a very magnetic, strong personality. Okay, they are also very physically appealing and attractive. They're kind of a go-getter. Okay, whatever they plan to go ahead and do, they'll go ahead and do that. Now the other two cards that I see for this person is the Six of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. Six of Pentacles is when this person is sharing the time, money, resources, something with another person, and that is what is causing them some stress, because with that Page of Swords energy, they would like to discuss that with you. They want to go ahead and tell you what is happening, so that there's no secrets between the two of you. Now let's also see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. The first card that I see is the Strength card, the Ace of Swords, and the Fool card again. Now with the Strength energy, that's Leo card. So a lot of strength, bravery is required in order to sort this relationship or the current situation that both of you are in. With the Ace of Swords, again, you need to go ahead and make sure that both of you have that open-ended conversation. There's no secrets. And once you have that conversation, you can take that big leap of faith. You can decide whether you want to continue with this relationship and go ahead and take that leap of faith and move this relationship to the next level, or you both can decide to take a big leap of faith and move into different directions. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone, which is the North Node. Now this definitely means that one person in this relationship is in the comfort zone, and that needs to end. Okay, so come out of your comfort zone. If you're too comfortable, then you need to come out of that energy. Now let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the message from the archangels and a crystal that can help you out in that situation. So the crystal that I see for you is brown agate. The crystal messages: have you been spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city apartment or an expensive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountain, sea or air for your overall well-being. Now the message here from Archangel Thuriel, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.